So welcome to the Tech Satya YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you how to download and install Notepad++ in your Windows operating system. So open your any web browser. So I'm going to open my Chrome browser and here type Notepad++ and click to enter. Okay, after that you will be see this is the official link is appear here. So you should click here only, and in your left side it will be showing current version. This current version is 8.7.4 only, so you should be click here, and now it will be going to second page. So see, so in right side you should be click here in download, and it will be going to the download. So now download has been done. So right click on here and open. It will be asking in to install. So click to yes, and minimize the web Chrome, and click to OK, and click to next. This is the license agreement. You should be upset. I agree. Again, it should be it asking a default location. So I'm okay this default location. So click to next, and again click to next. It should be click create shortcut on desktop, and click to after that click to install. Now installation has been going on, and now see, now Notepad++ has been installed in my system. You can see here only, this is the Notepad++ logo is appear here. Thank you for watching this video.